So I did something yesterday that I totally forgot to record. It was kind of unexpected, to be honest. You guys are about to find out right now when I'm gonna fire her up. It's super addicting when you have a car and you just want more loud. Look at how obnoxious this is. Guys, it is so loud. Muffler delete. So I'm not necessarily gonna keep my mufflers off because it is absolutely annoying. I'm doing something better, and you guys are gonna see very soon. Before we get started, make sure you go to NateRider.com and get your Rider air freshener, and also don't forget about my Sally keychains. I appreciate the support so much. The chop with these muffler deletes sounds so glorious. This is one of the best spots driving on the 5 freeway. Am I right or am I right? Driving all of this way, the muffler's off, is absolutely crazy. Excuse my messy hair, I really needed a haircut. Anyways, I absolutely love my Borla S-type stingers. Mustang or any car in particular with an exhaust for a long time, and I've had these stingers on for about 2 years, you get used to it. You want more loud and you want something different, and that's exactly what I did. On Instagram, I hit you guys up who was down to trade my Borla S-type stingers for your guys' own axle bags. I got a buttload of response, and I picked one. You guys are gonna see exactly what I picked. We finally made it out in Anaheim, and wow, you guys already know we are going with the Roush Extremes. Justin hit me up on Instagram, and we're doing the even trade. He's gonna get my Borla S-type stingers, I'm gonna get his Roush Extremes, and we're gonna go ahead and tear it up. So here's just a walk around. Loving the wings so much and the wheels, looking really, really nice. What else did you do to it after you bought it?
Let's see, 2-step, the Roush exhaust you're getting.
Okay.
Let's see, not too much. I was gonna do a pulley, but with stock clutch, that's a no-go.
Oh, I know, for real.
That's not gonna happen. The clutch will not last.
Yeah. So after about like an hour of wrestling with those factory hangers, we finally got it. This one's a little bit down because I think it's the factory hangers and the Roush. I'm gonna go ahead and get that fixed at the muffler shop, but it's time to go ahead and fire her up. So we'll go ahead and see how she sounds like with the new Roush Extremes, and go from there. The moment of truth. Oh. It's so much, it's not as loud, you know? Oh, there it is. I could get used to this, that's for sure. I like it. Thank you. It sounds amazing. amazing. We're gonna go ahead and put the Billit S-type fingers on his Roush, and then we're gonna go ahead off. The sun's about to go down, so we gotta go fast. There we go. All right, so he's got some exhaust modifications that we couldn't finish tonight, but we're gonna go home. We're gonna see exactly how great these Roush axle bikes really are. Here's a startup. Another one. I'm gonna love this for sure. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let you guys listen.